Sai Ram everyone. I'm bringing this video from Prashanti Nilayam, which is in Puttaparthi, Andhra Pradesh, an ashram of Lord of the Universe, Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba. It's my privilege as well as blessing that I'm able to stand in front of you all and make this video from here. There are so many people who stay here, and it's always touches my heart when I see them when visiting the ashram. There are people from pretty much all nationalities of the world, all the religions, all the caste, all the creed, all the faith, who together live here and together are deep into the spirit of Baba, spreading love and humanity across the world. Today I thought I'll talk about self-reflection as a method which leaders or any individual can invest in themselves to improve. Now, I have been using it pretty much over the last, I would say 15 years thereabouts. I would like to share how I do that. Every Monday, 8 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. And as I said, I've been doing it for 15 years. Leave few Mondays that I might have missed. From morning 8 to 8:30 a.m. I pick a pad and a pen and reflect the previous week on the professional front, on the personal front, pretty much the entire ecosystem around me. How have I behaved? How have I conducted myself? How have I added value to the team? How have I added value to myself? Have I invested in myself enough that I would have liked to? This 30 minutes, trust me, helps me to look at the things I could do better. Double down on things that I have done good. So I say, good, well done, Karuna. Keep it up. When I write, it's not that I go to the diary and start ticking them out. But when I write, my mind connects with what I have done, and it helps me to get better in the week that is starting. It has helped me immensely. And when I think about it, really, who else is interested in me that I make improvement in the entire ecosystem around me, at work, at home, in the society, is me, right? So I am more invested in me, and when I do that self-reflection, I can be super critical. I don't worry whether who has said this, whether it is true or not, should I take it or reject it, should I prioritize? And that's where the importance of doing it at a short interval, not doing annually, not doing quarterly, not doing monthly, weekly. I thought this frequency helps me to be very true to what I have done and not in generic terms, specific, I would say, anecdotes, specific interactions that I would have had. And then it helps me to get better. There was one particular thing that I was working very much on myself, on listening skills and being empathetic. And over the years, I have changed like chalk and cheese. And I believe this is what has helped me. Not just knowing that, oh, I need to get more empathetic, and this is what empathy means, or improve my active listening. Knowing is nothing, doing is the value. And that is what I get when I say, okay, I want to do something. Have I changed? No, not really. And then that is what brings in the change. So I would say, while coaching and mentoring is going to help, there's a third person or a second person who is engaging with you to give from their experience or coach you, being with you to get better. Why not use self-reflection? It comes at no cost, but requires a discipline and short interval control. Doing it on weekly basis is something I believe will add a lot of value. In fact, I have mentioned this in my first book, which is Latent Output. this particular thing. I'm bringing it in this video. I hope you find it useful as I get immersed in Prashanti Nilayam, the abode of Lord Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba. Thank you very much.